So guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a wolf. So let's get into it. First, I usually start with the end of the mouth, like this. And then I draw the snout, usually about this long. And then I draw it up where it's little. You could draw your ear downwards or like this. You can do anything with your designs because it's your wolf, not mine. And this is only the start of my wolf. I'm only just drawing the head. Well, and then I draw a line under it. And then I start drawing the fur, just like ripples. And then I would usually do the arm like this. You can like draw however you want your arm. So I usually do that when I want to do half of the wolf because I'm not good at drawing the whole body. And then I draw the nose. It's not really good. Just erase this. Oh, and if you don't have an eraser, you should go grab one now and pause the video. Nope. Just leave it like that for now. And then I draw the eye, which I usually mess up on. Then I draw it like this. You don't need to draw the slime. I'm just doing it because I want to. And if you want to do it smiling, or you could do it like that. You could do it just like this, just like down like that. So I'm gonna do as well. You could draw like, and if you want, you can draw a scar. Do whatever designs you want. And for the ending part, I do this all the time. And that's how you draw a wolf. Now what should I call this? Wolf. Wait, got the people. How about black wolf? Please like and subscribe if you can. Go check out Diamond and Alex's and Blue Fox's channel. Hope you like this. If you want more sub or like. Bye!